Good morning. This is Buy My Money, and today is October 7th, 2020. And welcome to day 13 of my journey to doubling my account using only price action. It's about 10:12 a.m. Eastern Time. And if you're watching, thanks for joining me on this journey. Let me know if there are any topics you'd like to know about price action in the comments. I'm doubling a 5K account in the MES micros before moving to the ES minis. For those who do not know, MES is 10 times smaller than ES, but the chart moves almost identical to the ES. So you get the price action of the ES, but a tenth of the exposure. Theoretically, if you can double an account in the MES, you can double an account in the ES. In fact, it is harder to trade the micros since the percentage of commissions is more for the micros than the minis. I began this journey because if you can make 1% a day, it'll take only 100 days to double your account. There are 252 trading days in a year, so it'll take less than half a year to double your account. If you can double your account twice, then you would have 4x your account in only 1 year. Then every year after that, it will be exponential growth. I'm currently around 30%. I've been making an average about 2 to 3% a day, so I'm currently on track to doubling my account in 2 to 3 months. I always have my account amount on the top of my screen. The price action strategy I like to use is looking for two-legged pullbacks and key entry points. Two-legged pullback is simply this pattern here, A, B, C. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, and we like to enter into the second entry. So we're looking for a trade right here. That's the same all the way around, A, B, C pattern, and then we look for entry here to go the other way. We find these key entry points such as moving averages, support resistance levels, trend lines, etc. I have 3 indicators on my screen. I have the 20 EMA, which is this solid blue line. I have the dotted dashed line, which is the 240 SMA. And then I have all these numbers you can see here. This is a custom script I made that counts legs and marks traps and also tells you what kind of leg there are, plus the upcoming leg that's coming up. So we see here is a dark green ones, or dark green numbers and dark red numbers are two-legged pullbacks. So we have a two-legged pullback coming back here. And it will also be the first pullback, and so it gives you the leg count plus the type of leg that's coming up. And so if you'd like to learn more about the strategy, you can check out my channel and look at the other playlists. I have a beginner playlist, intermediate playlist, so you can see a little bit more of what this strategy entails. Al Brooks recommends you trade your I don't care size. So for me, that's 3 contracts, 2 scalps and 1 runner. I use the 2584 tick chart as my main chart. Mac from price action. Trading system uses a 2K chart, which is fine, but I like to use the 2584 since it is the closest Fibonacci number to 2000. Why Fibonacci numbers? Well, because Fibonacci numbers appear all over in nature, and so if the market reflects human nature, I would like to use the Fibonacci numbers whenever I can. I also use some other charts to help see different time frames. These are all Fibonacci numbers. I use the 610 chart, 2584, 10,946, and also the 5-minute chart because Al Brooks uses the 5-minute chart, and I like to mimic the best. So for the intro, now let's move on to technical analysis. I've already marked up my 2K chart a little bit here, my 2584. The red line here is yesterday's close, and I have kind of this major channel working here. I think it's about time I bring this back up here. It might become relevant. And so I have this major channel here. And we came down after yesterday and came back hard, but since then we've basically rebounded. You can see here, and we're hitting the bottom of this trend line from this channel, which is a good place to find resistance. And now I'll look for the two-legged pullback. Get rid of this. It's just an easier way to delete all those pictures. Alright, so this is no longer relevant. We have a kind of another channel here. Let's see, this is too steep. I already broke down from that one. And now we're working down here like this, on this kind of small channel here. And the 20 EMA, we've been riding above it, now we broke below it. So either we can start coming down or trading range. That's what I'm looking at. 10K chart, we've come and tested the 20 EMA from above. A, B, C, A. So this will be two-legged pullback off the 20 EMA. I wouldn't be too opposed to trading this two-legged pullback, but we're kind of in a range right now, so hard to say. The time chart, 5-minute chart, I like charting the 5-minute because 5-minute chart tracks time and price, whereas a tick chart tracks volume and price. And so you kind of need to, it's good to see the price action in both. I think personally, I like to find confluence in the 5-minute and the tick charts. On the 2K chart, hitting the top of this range with a two-legged pullback. Trap triggered. Trap here. Also on the 2K chart, top of the range with two-legged pullback. A, B, C. Hopefully we get a scalp here. More so on the fact that this was a trap on the 5-minute chart. There's confluence here, so just waiting. Okay, point made. Expecting to hit the bottom of this range here, but most likely get stopped out right there. Trap on the 5-minute, also successful. Hmm. Okay. Those who went short here are trapped, hitting the top of this, looking to go short soon here with a good signal bar. Yep, with a good signal bar, be interested. It's not that good, but I'll take it. Basically came back to the drop or the breakdown area. Testing the breakdown area now. Top of this channel. Looking to scale in if I have to. I don't mind this. Not skunking it. Could be a double top here. Could be double top. Not really good signal bar on the 2K chart. Not interested in this trade per se. Yeah, should I skunk this? I feel okay here. Feel okay here. Alright, made the point, but has more room to go down, in my opinion. Just it's a bad signal bar on the 2K. Made a double top here. Wish the time chart would be up. Oh, there it is. Finally hit it. Took forever. Jeez, just took forever. Oh my gosh, it took forever. Alright. So we're at the top of the range now. Broke through it. Smashed through it. Need a good signal bar. I think you hit the top of this channel here, but we'll see. Almost interested in a short here with a good signal bar. There it is. Trying to go short here for exhaustion move. Trying to get scalp. Scalp made. Exhaustion move here. Okay. Got stopped out. Aye. Alright, let's try this. Never mind. I'm not interested. Actually, nah, this two-legged pullback I can't trade against this two-legged pullback. Trap two-legged pullback here. Good signal bar. Still room to 20 EMA. I don't know. I'll let this go, unfortunately. Too dangerous for me. Double top. I'm interested now. Create a double top here. The micro double top made me interested in coming back in. Most likely we'll get stopped out. Runner stopped out. Yeah, I wasn't interested, but until I made a double top, then I figured it'd be a good time to get in now. Alright, wrapping up here. Up about 1% today, as you can see here. Yeah, so that puts me around 31%. To be honest, today was, it's a strong uptrend, but for me, it was just slow, 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 slow. This whole thing for me was hard to trade. It's just choppy, all chop here. They're finally breaking out, and now it was a little more tradable, but even in here, kind of hard to trade. Took a couple trades off this. I took this trade here, but still, in my opinion, pretty difficult day today. Didn't have the cleanest setups, but I'll take a 1% day. And so, yeah, hope this has been helpful. Till next time, God bless.